In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an age verification pop-up to your Shopify store. We'll start by finding and installing the right app. Head to the Shopify App Store and search for age verification. You'll see a variety of options, including popular choices like Hulk age verification and Lifter age check. Take a moment to read the descriptions and reviews. Look for features you care about, such as a simple confirm button or a date of birth input, and check pricing or trial details. When you've found a good fit, click to install it and grant the requested permissions so it can display the pop-up on your storefront. Once the app is installed, it's time to customize the settings. Most age verification apps let you set a minimum age, commonly 18 or 21, depending on your products and local regulations. Choose the verification method that matches your compliance needs and your desired level of friction. A single I'm over 18 button is fast and user-friendly, while a date of birth input adds an extra layer of verification, which some regions or industries prefer. Next, adjust the design so it matches your brand. You can typically edit the headline, body text, and buttons, select fonts and colors, and add your logo. Keep the message clear and concise, and consider when and where the pop-up appears. On page load, only on certain product collections, or just for new visitors. If your app offers frequency controls, set it to avoid repeatedly prompting returning customers. With your settings dialed in, enable the app on your theme. Depending on the app, this might be as simple as turning on a toggle in the app's dashboard or adding the app block through the online store's Customize section. Some apps will guide you to Online Store, then Themes, then Customize, where you can add the age verification block or section to your theme and position it appropriately. Other apps provide a short code snippet that needs to be added to theme, Liquid. If that's the case, consider duplicating your theme first so you have a safe backup. Then follow the app's instructions closely for where to paste the snippet, typically before a closing head or body tag. After enabling, preview your storefront in a private or incognito window to confirm the pop-up appears as expected on desktop and mobile. Verify the buttons and date fields work, the design looks clean, and the pop-up can't be bypassed if compliance is essential. If you change themes later, revisit these settings to ensure the pop-up remains active. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has an age gate that's both on-brand and easy for customers to use.